Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon and today I'm going to talk about the cryptocurrency called Stellar. Now this one I actually really like, guys. I'm going to go into a lot of details. I'll be doing a price prediction and also going over some of the news and information where you can find it at. Let's begin, guys. So Stellar is sitting at 38.21 cents. Huge market cap. It is number 22 on the list. That is a huge thing because there's a lot of players, a lot of volatility, and there's charts for it to be traded on. So I'm going to get into some of the key information where you guys can find it at. So before we start that, what is Stellar? Okay, guys, so Stellar is a cryptocurrency, is a token where you guys can send money, also has a marketplace where you can buy and trade assets on there, and also has some, where's it at? It also has its own ledger. So that's pretty interesting. If you guys want to find out more in detail about what Stellar is and how does it work, all the some nitty gritty, I'll have this website linked below. It's cracking.com. Let's check out Stellar. So this is their main website. Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. Love it. Here's their other communication places, so you can hit them up. They got Twitter. They got Reddit. They got some other one called Gigantic Talk. Community.org, or was it stellarcommunity.org, and also they got their own bitcointalk.org. So if you guys want to find out more information about Stellar, they have a bunch of places. I'm just going to have them all posted below so you guys can find that. Next thing, guys, we get to that price prediction. I love doing price predictions, guys, when it comes to big cryptocurrencies because it's a whole lot easier, a lot more play into it. So the first way I'm going to talk about it is how to hodl it. So we're looking on the monthly, the big time frame, guys. But I want to zoom in a little bit more. Let's go to the weekly. So for me, guys, if I'm going to hodl this, I'm going to stair step my way in, dollar cost average in, buy on the dips, and also buy on a periodic basis to remove the emotional part of trading. So what do I mean exactly? Let me get my arrow out. So currently, we're sitting right about here for the price. So for me, if my plan is to hodl this cryptocurrency, what I'm going to do is if I get paid every single Friday, I'm going to go in and buy on every Friday. I'm going to put a portion of my fiat currency paycheck and throw it into Stellar because that's what I'm going to do if I'm hodling this. Every period of every week, I'm going to be entering. So if I've started from over here back in July 2021, then I would be entering here, dollar cost averaging in, and reducing the emotional aspect of if it goes up, I'm going to exit. If I'm going to go down, no. So for me, I'm going to do that. Enter here. If it goes back down lower, let's say it heads down to this price point down here, I'm also going to enter when it comes to hodling. And my exit points, and remember, for me, exiting is so important when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So for me, if I'm going to hodl, I'm also going to find exit points to exit a lot some of my position. So at the tops or at these highs, just around here, I'm going to be hodling as much as I can at the bottom of these. Wait a second, delete this last one. So I'm gonna be hodling all the way through over there because I didn't get into this cryptocurrency when it was this cheap. I'm over here. If you guys are over here, to me, I'll take out some profits, and then if it goes going lower, I'll keep re-entering, buying on a periodic basis, dollar cost averaging in, and then at these periods, so it hits here, the 50 cents, I'll sell some of my portion. If it goes up here, I'll sell a little bit more. If up here, I'll sell even more. Because it might retrace back down, I can re-enter. And that's how my plan for my price prediction would be these three levels. 3 easy identifiable levels that I can get into and get out. Get into here and get out and exit for hodling. So now let's change gears and let's see the trading aspect of it, okay? So trading, guys, I am going to go to the daily. Let me get rid of these. I'm going to go over here and delete this. All right, let's go to the daily. That's daily and the 4 hour, my favorite time frame to trade on. So when trading, there's a little bit different because there's a little different aspect to it. You got to worry about getting stopped out or margin call. So if I'm going to trade this, I am going to be looking at this at a higher point because it looks like it's going to be trending higher. And the trend is always your friend. So if we're going to trend, I'm definitely going to try to get on that. I'm using two different indicators. I'm using the super trend, and I'm also using Bollinger Bands. So this will be my point. If I'm entering here, I would do a small lot size right about here. So a 0.01, for example. 0.01 with a large stop. So if it does trend down, and I'm incorrect, it heads down here lower, I will place a buy limit over here, down here. Next to that, I'll place a buy limit down here at the support zone. So if I'm wrong, I can re-enter over here, still holding this position though, and enter my position right here. So I have two positions going up. And my target for both will be over here, this same price point. Why is that? I'm going to explain a little bit more what happens when I start staggering my orders. So now that I have this entry in, if it goes positive and it keeps on going, what I'm going to do is lock in my trade by moving my stop loss above my entry to maintain I keep profits in this trade. If I'm wrong and it goes down to this point here, what I'm going to do is when it hits my buy limit and goes up higher, if it does this, if it's wrong, I just get stopped out at two positions. I only do 2.4% max for any position in trading, so it's not too bad of a loss. If I'm incorrect, if I'm correct and it hits this bottom right here, and it goes up higher, I'm going to lock in my trade from here. If it goes up to here, going to exit my first position here at this point here. So my first price point, my price prediction, is 50 cents. 50 cents. And then before it hits that point, I always try to do a buy stop that's a little bit above my top entry here. So I can capitalize truly off the move. So option one, hits up here, then it's fine. I'll just keep moving my stop loss up above it at every, if there's a low, I'll keep putting it under it and staggering up. Now for this point here, if it does it again, hits my buy limit, I will exit one of these two positions, this buy stop or my market entry here, and then I'll have two of them riding up the course all the way up. And if it hits these price points, I've hit 60 cents, I will do another price prediction. But for this price prediction, guys, 50 cents. Now, if you have any questions or comments on how I got to my reasoning, please comment below. I'll comment it out and I'll have that conversation. Also, guys, please head to my website, AndreJMcClellan.com. I have cryptocurrency news, stocks information, gold and silver statistics, so please check it out. If you want to book a session with me, hit me up on Facebook or my website. We can have that conversation. But thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Please comment, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next price prediction.